Okay, so I have divided my plank like this. So the lower portion is less than the upper portion. This part is more, right?
Yes.
So you have taped your canvas?
Yes, we have. Sure.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So we will start. See, this is an abstract painting. We are not drawing anything. We are just using the paints and we'll create some nice pattern using the paints. So it's not like exact painting. It's just the abstract. ठीक है? So I am taking my yellow. So you guys have your yellow. Okay, since you both kids are doing, if you want, you can make some small circle kind of thing, that this much circle you will do the yellow, then this much you will do the orange, the next, and then next. If you want, you can make these circles, these ovals actually. Let me know when you make the circles, है ना? Then only I'll pour the paint. Yeah.
Make the circles.
Okay. Anika, you have done?
I've also made it.
Okay. See, one technique is I am just taking the paint on the tip of my palette knife and I am just doing it. Just see first, like this.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Sorry. So I was saying the first one technique is that I am just taking the paint on the tip and I am just doing it like this, like a petal. But we will not do this one. What we will do, we'll pour our paint on the yellow, the middle one, the middle circle. Just see first. Not very, just take an optimum amount of paint. Don't take too much of paint. This much. So I have dropped it. I have not used any brush or it should not be flat, right? The paint, there should be droplets, thick paint droplets. Always clean your knife when you are using a different paint. Wash your knife in water first and then clean it with a soft cloth. Now similarly, I'll take some orange and I will put some orange like this in a circular pattern.
The colors will be droplets.
Yeah, just the droplets. Orange I am not putting because otherwise you might drop your paint within yellow. So that's why I am just putting it like this, okay? Then what is the next color after orange? Is your pink, right? So the pink color will will make a big circle for pink color so that the painting should look bright. So it all depends on you. If you want to take more orange, you can take more orange. If you want to take more of pink, you can take, because the brown one, the last color, will take very less, right? We don't want the brown more. So you are seeing that we are not using anything where it's more of abstract kind of thing.
Let ma'am say something.
Okay, now what we'll do, we'll start with the orange color first. We will not start with the yellow, because we want the yellow should be, it should be as it is. We don't want the color to be mixed with orange, right? Because orange is the dominating color in the yellow and orange. So first we will do the orange one. So just hold your knife like this. You can keep your finger on it like this. Now just do it like this. You have to spread it using your knife. Right now you will not find any texture. That is perfectly fine, because right now the paint is more in a liquid form and you will not get any texture. You will get the texture after some time when we will do it again. So this is the easy way of doing the knife painting. Try to make small petals, even if you cannot see right now. Keep it in a circular form. If you want, you can take more paint. It all depends how much orange you want. If you don't want this much of orange, you can keep it less also. It all depends on you. Now I am leaving the orange right now and I am just washing my knife. So in knife painting, actually using knife is little difficult. So it comes with practice. तो जितना आप practice करोगे with your knife, you will get good textures. Always keep your knife clean. Otherwise, when it will get dry, it will not come out. The paint will not come out, and the texture, the smoothness will not be there in the painting. Okay, So now I'll start with my yellow. I'll do it like in a swirl kind of thing first, so that it should be round. So you can see there is one line coming over here. So I am not filling that line, because at the end we want the unevenness, right? The texture. So I am not doing that. Now with this knife only, see I have the yellow color in the knife. I'll do some on the orange one also, but in the petal kind of thing. You will find little difference now when you are doing it on orange. It's little hard now. Paint is little thick. With time it will get more thick, and then we will make the textures. Okay, so I have, like, my bottles are old, so my paint will get thick fast. Your will get little time because they are like new bottles. So I am getting the textures right now only in my orange one. So I don't think they are visible. You can see the textures on my board.
We can, but it's visible, but not as the painting you showed to me, no?
Oh, it will come like that only.
Okay.
Yeah. These are the same colors which I have used in the painting.
Okay.
So once you are done with the orange, start with the pink. So I am just doing it side by side. You can just follow me. No need to hurry. Just be at your own pace. Keep the paint thick. Don't make it very thin. Keep it thick only. The layer should be thick, so that we can make the textures afterwards. Now, if the paint will be thin, then it will be difficult to make the textures. When you are doing the pink one, do it on orange also, so that it gets blended with the orange one. Otherwise the orange one will get dry and it will not get blended. If in case it gets dried and it is not getting blending, then we have to use orange again, little bit of orange again. So you can see this part is blended now. You cannot see that line over here. Okay, are you done with this? we'll increase the strokes with time. We'll start with the base first, then we'll do it in between. We'll keep doing it till the time the paint is still wet, right? Okay. So what I will do now, I'll remove the tape. Remove it बहुत आराम से. Little bit of your paint would have come below your tape, but that is perfectly fine. But at least you'll get a nice line. Now I'm taking my blue paint and I'm just pouring your paint on the canvas. I'll take this edge of my knife and I'll just spread it. Keep it thick only, don't make it very thin. For this edge, keep your hand little light so that the pressure is less on the knife, and then fill this area. So I have lot of strokes right now on my in the blue color. If you are spreading out with knife, you can also see some strokes there. It's not very flat like a brush, but you have a thick strokes, and that is perfectly fine. That is the thing which we needed. Just fill the edges nicely. This one, the one which is here on the where you are meeting the top and the bottom actually. If you are little like, if it is coming on the upper part, you can use a brush also, but that is not required. You can fill it with knife. Let it be a knife, pure knife painting. We are not using any brush. If you have lot of paint on the upper side, just do it like this, and then you can spread it, so that not to waste any paint, and you can wash your knife. Now I will open all my other colors which I have used for the sun, right? The yellow, orange, your pink, red, brown, all the colors. Okay, you have to keep all your colors always, the lid should be always closed for the acrylic paints, because the colors, they get dry very quickly. So we have to keep them always closed, right? So let it dry a little bit, just a little bit. Meanwhile, we can do the upper part again if you want more strokes. See, now my yellow is very thick and I am like loving these strokes now. So this will give me now the desired result. But this time you need to be extra careful that the stroke should not come on the blue part, because we don't have tape right now. Now you must be getting lot of strokes, right?
Yes.
Just keep all the strokes in one direction only, so that it should look like a wavy kind of thing, like swirling kind of thing. It should not look like irregular. कोई कहीं से आ रहा है, कोई कहीं से आ रहा है stroke. It should be in a pattern. Okay, now meanwhile my blue paint is little bit thick. So first I am taking, you can take any color first. So I am taking like orange first. You can pour your paint maybe on a plate or something if you want. I am just taking directly from my bottle. On the edge. So you can see on the back side of the edge, right? This is the front area of my knife. So I have taken the paint here. So what I'll do, just see first. What I'll do, I'll just spread with a very light hand. I'll just spread it like this. So I am not putting pressure on the knife. Somewhere the paint is coming, somewhere it's not. Now you can see it's all blue, right? So I need to wash my knife again. clean it, take little orange. If you want more orange, you can take little. I want more orange here because the orange color, it's hair. The reflection should be like, it should be hair more, right? So I am just spreading my orange. If you will put too much of pressure, what will happen? The blue color and the orange color, it will get merged and you will get some other color, which we don't want, right? So we want the orange should be, see, if I am doing it like this, you can see it is making some different color. So now I'll keep the orange like this only. I will take another color. Just take it, just keep the hand very light. Don't put pressure.
Ma'am, next can I take yellow?
We can take yellow, but we will take yellow at the end because we want the reflection should be bright, right? So we'll take yellow at the end after taking all my colors. So I am pouring some of my color on my palette. I'll just show it to you. And just take it like this. The edge is very clean, you can see. Just pour a very little paint. And again I will swipe my knife on my palette, on the blue part.
कोई out हो गया zero पे.
Spread it very nicely and very with a very soft hand, like you are having a cotton in your hand. Don't put pressure. So this is another technique of knife painting. You must have seen these type of strokes in big paintings, right? So see, I am not taking pink on orange. I have kept it different. You can see that orange is here, pink is here. So I have not blended both of the colors so that at the end they should be visible. Otherwise, एक के ऊपर एक करोगे तो it will not be visible. Now since I have taken red color, the maroon color I have taken actually instead of brown, so I am taking little of my maroon color. If you have taken brown, you can use brown. If you have taken red, you can use red. And I will again, I'll do it some here. So these type of strokes are generally done with the small knife. The one which I have shown it to you, this sharp pointed one, this one. This is actually done with this. I'll show it with this also. See, it will more or less, it will give you the same result. So hardly matters. You will in market you will get number of knives, but generally these two knives are the only knives which are successful ones and with which you can make all your paintings. Yes, bacha.
And I have another kind of knife with me.
Just a minute. Yes. Show me. Yeah. For this, with this you can make some square pattern, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, at the end, I will use my yellow. So I am taking more of my yellow below the sun. if you will put pressure on yellow, it will become green because blue and yellow makes green, right? So don't put pressure. Let it be yellow only. I'll take some yellow here also.
टाइम चला गया.
Let me know once you are done with this. So last time you can do the strokes if you want to do it. For this, if you want to do it more, just use this tip. Do it like this. And the this is the third technique of the knife painting. Try to keep them straight. Don't make curvy lines, and otherwise it will not look good.